So continuing on from our other video on the simple page, now we're going to make our way to the advanced page. When you first go over to the advanced page, the first thing you'll see, it's split into two main different compartments. You've got the upper section and you've got the lower section. The upper section stays fixed, so you can change the lower section with these tabs over here. But as you'll notice, the upper section does not change. Up here, you'll find pretty much most of your main parameters. Many of these are going to also be found on the simple page, but you'll also find them here. You have the main volume over here. You've got your motion section with the volume and pan LFO. You've got the ADSR for the amplitude envelope. You've got the filter controls down here. You've got the low pass filter and low pass resonance. You've got the high pass filter cutoff and high pass resonance, as well as the amplitude velocity, the filter velocity, modulation controls, mod wheel, and aftertouch. And then you've got plenty more. So you still have the bypass up here. You've got the ARP on off, as well as the octave. And you've got the MIDI player on off. You have octave for the whole instrument, so right now it's a -1. I can change that to 2. That's quite up. You've got coarse tune. You've got also fine tune, which this was left out on the simple page. You've got key follow. You have a pan for the whole instrument. You have an oscillator volume for the whole instrument. Then you have glide controls as well. So this is where we start getting a little bit more in depth than what the simple page offers. You've got mono, polyphonic, legato mode. You've got unison controls. Now this is where you can pretty much duplicate the signal. So we can bring it up to 4. It's pretty much making 4 copies of that. You can detune them. I'm going to turn this up here. Turn that off. As you can tell, it's adding something a little extra to the sound. Making our way over here, so you're going to have most of your ADSR control right here. You've got the amplitude envelope as well as the filter envelope. As we discussed on the other video for the simple page, you've got the filter envelope amount here. And this is where you'll find the controls for the filter envelope. So you've got the attack, decay, sustain, and release up there. And then this mimics, like I said, the simple page. You've got the filter controls right there. And then here's your modulation controls up here for mod wheel, aftertouch. And then your motion controls for volume and pan.